In this lesson, I want to look at the way in which chart gadgets can be added into CRM. Chart gadgets, first of all, require a user to have access to reports. Here you can see the user is able to come into the reports area and look at sales reports, where reports have been defined which have a chart associated with them. I'm looking at a report here called My Open Opportunities, and within the definition of this report we can see that the report is defined with a chart, plus it has given a specific title. The title will be used within the gadget to identify the data source. I can now go back into the My CRM menu where the interactive dashboard is being defined and create a new gadget. So I've selected here the new gadget, Create Gadget option. From within the wizard I can select the Chart Gadget, and I now have to select the reports that use the chart that I want to display. We can see that this is identified using the title of the chart. We can then decide which action is required and whether there is a drill down required. And I've selected there Run Report, and I've selected there Run Report. Click on the Next button and we provide the gadget with a name. The gadgets are interactive with existing gadgets, so the data is being displayed dynamically from the underlying data. We can see currently there are 2 qualified items, and these correspond to the data that is listed here inside this list gadget. If the data is changed by using workflow and the record is progressed, chart graphics will immediately reflect the change to the underlying data, and when clicked, the action will open up the underlying chart. And that's the chart gadgets inside Sage CRM.